Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Today we will take a look at the Great British Pound. I have checked different currencies across the board, some major currencies, so it's really not big difference what to talk about currently. So Euro currency approximately has the same situation, and the New Zealand dollar consolidation also stands in the same triangle that we have discussed yesterday. But since the Great British Pound is the center of the voting, so that's why we will take a look at this currency. So currently, guys, is starting to happen what we have warned you about with the 1 or 2 weeks ago. So as we will come closer to the Brexit voting moment, as the turmoil around this event will start to grow and could reach the unprecedented level. So you know what is the volatility has happened yesterday on the market. Probably you know that yesterday one of the parliamentarian who has voted for staying in the European Union was shot dead in Great Britain. So as you can see, this really turmoil is reaching some absolutely irrational levels, and many people start to interpret this, treat this event as the trying to treat this event as an attempt to impact on the voting process, and that's has bring some volatility on the market, and you can see what really has happened with the price. So initially, when we have finished our analysis on the New Zealand dollar, it starts to develop as it should. But later, when this event has happened, as the parliamentarian was shot, so as you can see, market returned back up, and due to the treatment of this situation from the investors, from the analysis. So right now, in fact, the markets are the hostages of the bad companies who provide the results of the polls, and this really brings a lot of volatility on the market. That's what really has said. So now you can see how it really works. So the technical analysis, the picture that we see in the morning could turn to from top to bottom with the 2 hours later, if some event will happen or something will be published, or somebody will say something on this subject, and picture is currently very short term. That's why we mostly do not call you to make any bets on the results of the Brexit, because the Brexit results will take the far-going consequences, and it will be a lot of time and possibility for taking the position in the correct direction. So if United Kingdom will stay in the European Union, this will be some probably relief on the market and could trigger some upward retracement here, as the short positions that were opened last week, as we saw in our Committee of Traders report, probably will be closed, and that will bring some additional upward retracement, maybe even to the 151 area, the level that we have specified as the next target of this possible A, B, C, bottom, D target. Since we have the hand shoulders here, 100% next target has been completed, retracement, next will be 151. That will be probably if Great Britain will stay in the European Union. If not, then probably we could get the plunge down. But right now, guys, what I would like to show you is that we probably will get the bullish grabber on the weekly chart. Why I decided to talk on the Great British Pound today. So results of this terrible event that has happened yesterday. So you can see what really has happened in the markets. The weekly candle has touched the MACD predictor and bounced up. Today is Friday, guys, so market has no time to destroy this pattern. Maybe in the evening, if something will happen, the market will drop significantly for the 200 or 300 bucks to the downside, pips to the downside, and probably grabber will be destroyed. But I suspect that we probably will get it. So what this grabber means? This grabber theoretical and technical picture means that market should take it out of this stuff. If this will happen probably only if on Thursday we will get the state decision on the voting. Because I do not see any other events, or maybe if the voting will be postponed or something of that sort due to the murder in Great Britain. So, but anyway, this is the bullish pattern, and that points on some on the either postponing of the voting or decision that Great Britain will stay in the European Union. So this is the bullish pattern that suggests the taking out of this stuff. That's why, guys, currently we should not go against this pattern until it stands valid. So do not take currently on the any short position on the Great British Pound. You may ask what to do with the possible bearish grabber on the monthly chart. Well, guys, the grabber that we have mentioned in our weekly research was the potential grabber, because whether we will get it or not, we will know only by the closing price of the June. But June candle is not closed yet. For example, if this grabber will work and this will be negative result on the Brexit, I mean that the European Union, the Great Britain will remain in the European Union, market will jump up, and we will not get any grabber in June. So this will be just upside candle. This grabber was just on the moment where we have talked about it, and we treated it only as a potential, not confirmed pattern yet. And the situation could change. This grabber has significantly greater value because it's shorter term, and within the few hours when this current session will end, Friday session will end, we will get the confirmed pattern. That's significantly more important compared to what we have on the monthly chart, because there we have a confirmed pattern, and maybe it will not be confirmed, as I said, if market will jump up. So that's been said, on the Great British Pound right now, stay aside from any bearish positions. If you would like to trade this grabber, you could do this, but take a look, guys, that this is the weekly chart, and you will have to place stop below these lows, and you will turn in the overall turmoil on the Brexit voting. If you would like to do this, be my guest. So you could try to do this, but this will be rather far stop. If you have the assets that let you to place stop for the 300 pips, well, maybe you could try. So risk reward here will be probably significant. So from that standpoint, this is acceptable in general trade, because the profit object stands higher than the past potential stop order. But the distance to the stop order is really very significant right now. So that's a very important moment that I would like to talk about today. On the intraday charts, guys, in the very short-term perspective, take a look what we have. First of all, on the 4-hour time frame chart, we have the bullish trend and failure breakout of the consolidation that we had on the cable. So as this was the failure breakout, probably market will continue to move slightly higher. Usually, when the wedge breakout is happening, market moves the distance that equals to the foundation, the wide or the swing of the wedge. So you should take a look this distance approximately counted to the upside. You will get the area that we have specified previously. That's an area around weekly pivot point. The weekly pivot point hasn't been tested yet, so that's approximately 43.70 area, somewhere in this level. Also, guys, take a look at this natural support resistance area. So maybe market today will move slightly higher and reach this level. Also, guys, on the daily chart, this is the 618 support the market was. It's around 142, and don't forget that that was also the daily oversold. Currently, guys, I do not have the daily chart, so if I'll shift to the daily, take a look. Yes, that's also daily oversold. We have talked about this, why we have said that probably market will stand for some time flat around this area and support of the neckline of our hand shoulder pattern. That's why it's hardly, this is additional another factor that tells us that market hardly will continue to move lower right now, and this is just another moment that warn you about against the taking short position here right now. So as you can see, it's very difficult to make the analysis of the market when it stands in such turmoil as the Great Britain right now stands. Its situation changes very fast, and what you have said just a few minutes ago could be broken. Not just because you have made a mistake, maybe your analysis is correct, but the new data, the new information has appeared that changed overall situation, and your analysis just become old. You need to do it again, and that's why I really do not like such sort of the situations where market is very nervous. It's very difficult to make the reasonable analysis just because you can't foresee the events that will happen. So the rules of the markets, the laws of the markets that are driving the market usually becomes the secondary issue, and the primary issue has becoming some political events, news, comments, and something of that sort. So let's see, but still we have some patrons, guys. We will base our analysis on what we really have. I mean, particularly the stop grabber on the weekly chart. It's currently is very important. And based on this analysis, we have made the conclusion that currently we should not take any short position and wait what really will happen.